Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to create and save tabs groups in Chrome. So there is a step-by-step guide. So I want to research on crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana coin. As you know that these are the most common crypto coins, and I want to just research on these three tabs. So I want to just create a group of these tabs. So how it's possible? We will just right click on the first tab and I want to just add tab new group. After I want to just give them color of orange and like Bitcoin research. So you will just have to save in a new tab in group. So after again I want to just Ethereum also add in this group. So just add two groups in Bitcoin. After again Solana coin, just right click and tabs to Bitcoin research. So now these are the three tabs in my research. So in this way you will just have to create and save tabs groups in Chrome. That's it. Thank you.